day.
This is Home Talk with home improvement expert Michael King on the USA Home Improvement Show Network. If you have a question or a comment concerning home improvement, new construction, renovations, or home repairs, Michael King will get you the answers. And now, back to Home Talk with the guru himself, Michael King.
That's right. This segment of Home Talk USA is sponsored by Boss Products, manufacturers of the Rapid Fix line of adhesive glues. Check them out at rapid-fix.com. And when you're checking out websites, we always ask you to check out the award-winning Home Talk website at HomeTalkUSA.com. All right. You've heard me talk, many times about things we can do to improve the quality of water in our lives, in our homes, and how important good, clean water really is. Because we all recognize now that, your county and your parish and your local water departments basically provide minimum EPA requirements for water quality, but it goes further than that. So my next guest is Major Avignon. He is with Water Incorporated, and they are the leading manufacturers. They're really a premium quality water filters. They produce lead-free faucets and really other products that really can filter, heat, brew, chill, soften, and dispense water. So we want to talk about that today. And hey, Major, welcome to the show again, my friend.
Well, thank you, Michael. Happy to be on again.
All right. Now, we've talked about your website before, and it has some tremendous amount of information. And you have, when it comes to homes, your home's water quality. And it really is a unique website where people can buy your products. And it also encourages shopping locally. And basically, as you said, it really stimulates the economy. Now, what I want to mention to my audience right now, that you're going to do a promotion, and you have set up a promotion code for our readers and our listeners. Can you tell us a little bit about that, about the website and the promotion code?
Sure, Michael. We have a special page for all your listeners at HomeTalk USA. I encourage them to go directly to waterinc.com/HomeTalkUSA. That's WATERINC.com/HomeTalkUSA. There we have links to all our products that we've talked about on the show, and they can easily be purchased on our website. We've set up a promo code for listeners, radio, and that will unlock an extra 5% savings and free UPS ground shipping. But if you'd rather shop at a local store, they can use our zip code driven dealer locator. And additionally, we want to point out that through our e-commerce site, we share a portion of online sales with our local stores.
Wow, that is great. So that's waterincorporated.com and the promo code radio. All right, great job. Thank you. Now, so Major, what would you like to talk about today?
Well, I'd love to talk about the perfect kitchen. Everyone has an idea of what their perfect kitchen is. The importance and status of kitchens has grown leaps and bounds. It went from being a small, purely functional, basic room and has become the heart and soul of a home. The kitchen now represents the entire home and is the center of activity. And when people are designing their dream kitchen, they tend to focus on what they see as the main details, But as a Cajun contractor, I'm sure you can guess what the most popular and main focuses are when someone is building or remodeling their dream kitchen.
Wow, that's right. And now, I guess the answer to that, people tend to focus on the aesthetics of a kitchen and the major or even large appliances. Now, are you saying that there are things that are commonly basically overlooked when, say, designing that kitchen?
You bet there are. You guessed correctly. People designing their dream kitchens are primarily focused on aesthetics. Color schemes, tile, flooring, and cabinets. And they're also a major focus on appliances. For example, getting the perfect oven or the latest refrigerator. Of course, these are important elements of a dream kitchen, but people tend to let other important decisions fall wayside. For anyone out there who is remodeling or building their kitchen, or for their contractor out there, I want to highlight some of the overlooked elements of a kitchen that should get more attention. If you don't know about these overlooked elements, you may unintentionally settle for something that is subpar.
Well, what are some of the overlooked, elements of a kitchen, though? What do we really make mistakes and basically sometimes we don't even think about?
Well, without a doubt, it's water filtration systems. A lot of people leave this decision as an afterthought and end up getting a subpar system. A state-of-the-art refrigerator with a built-in water dispenser is great, but filters that come with them are, they're not advanced, and they have to be changed twice a year or more often. Our Body Glove water filtration system lasts a whole year. They also have superior filtration, and they take out more than just aesthetics, meaning tastes and odors. They filter out other contaminants that we like to say may be hiding in your water. Our filters have great certification, and they're certified for filter capabilities by the NSF, or the National Sanitation Foundation, and are certified for sustainability by the Water Quality Association. As I've talked about before, these filters are easily to change by yourself, and they also are recyclable. So a must-have item in your dream kitchen is a Body Glove water filtration system, and you can get a Body Glove 6000 full flow system, install it under sink, and it filters all the cold water that comes out of your main faucet, and you can plumb it to your high-end refrigerator.
Wow. Well, hold that thought right there. There's the music. We got to take a short break. We're going to finish our conversation with Major Avignon. He's talking about this great system that he's promoting to basically improve the water quality of our lives, and this filtration system, this Body Glove water filter systems. Also, don't forget, go to his website at waterincorporated.com. Type in the promo code radio, and you can check out all the great products that they offer. And we have a promotional code radio, and for a little discount there. So always support your local independent home.
63 or visit freezedryguy.com.
The Home Improvement Broadcasting Network wants to congratulate this year's recipient of the National Radio Media Association Radio Talk Show Host of the Year, our very own, the host of HomeTalk USA, the Cajun Contractor, Michael King. Welcome back to HomeTalk USA with home improvement expert, the Cajun Contractor, Michael King, on the Home Improvement Broadcasting Network. If you have a question or comment concerning home improvement repairs, new construction, or renovations, the Cajun Contractor will get you the answers. And now, back to HomeTalk USA with the Cajun Contractor, Michael King.
Hey, welcome back. That's right. To the only home improvement radio show dedicated to you, the American consumer. This segment of Home Talk is sponsored by Gilpin Incorporated, manufacturers of aluminum and metal fencing, railings, and gates, gilpininc.com. And don't forget, if you'd like me to personally help you with your home improvement project, go to askmichaelking.com. And you can also visit our main website at HomeTalkUSA.com. We're talking to Major Avignon. He is with Water Incorporated, manufacturers of premium quality water filters. They have lead-free faucets and really other products that filter, heat, brew, chill, soften, and dispense water. They also have some great technology that has to do with improving your home's water quality through water filter systems. We've been talking about this Body Glove filter system. But I also want to mention that Major is doing a little promotion on this show. If you go to waterincorporated.com, just spell it out, WATERINC.com, and just type in the promo code radio. And if you happen to see a water system or some of the other products that he offers, and you type in the promo code radio, he's got some good discounts for you, and he's even going to pay the postage. So great offer. Major, just before the break, you were talking about some of the things we overlook when it comes to the element of the kitchen. Now, do you suggest any other products that really can enhance the asset of your superior water filter systems? What really can bring it out and give us a good feature?
Certainly. Our EverHot Instant Hot Water product is a perfect product to be paired with the Body Glove water filter. Having near boiling 190-degree water at your fingertips instantly is a necessary luxury for your dream kitchen. If you install one of these, you will use it all the time. Get a head start on boiling a pot of water for pasta or make oatmeal and soups instantly. A favorite time saver with the EverHot is you don't have to wait for the kettle to boil to make tea. You can have it instantly.
Now, now making tea instantly sounds like a time saver, but what about all the coffee drinkers out there? I mean, coffee systems are huge. And how can you help us there?
Well, our EverHot built-in coffee maker is state-of-the-art to achieve the perfect brew. It is fully programmable, which is neat because you can have the coffee brewing before you get out of bed. The EverBrew installs under sink of your cabinet, or underneath your cabinet, and aesthetically, it just blends in perfectly with the kitchen. I can't tell you how many wonderful new kitchens I see with all of the greatest things in them, and then you see their standard coffee maker just sitting on the counter like an eyesore and an afterthought. It is really a shame because our EverBrew is so much better. Also, the EverBrew and the Body Glove water filter are a dream team because you can't make a perfect tasting coffee without filtered water.
There you go. There you said the key right there. And that's where a lot of us basically drops the ball. Yep. Good point. Now many other products that you have that you like, I guess, what would you like to bring to our attention? I guess I want to ask you, for anyone who is, say, remodeling or building their dream kitchen. Let's talk about that again.
Well, we've got a small device, but it is a big help in your kitchen, and that's our Enviropure brand air switches. Air switches are a safe and convenient way to activate your garbage disposal. It's an on-off control system that eliminates the need to reach over the counter with wet hands to operate an electrical switch. These little buttons come in a variety of finishes and look great compared with a bulky light switch, and they are particularly great for island installations. And Enviropure Air Switches are so stylish and so convenient.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you what, hold on right there. We got to take a short break. I got to pay some bills. When we come back, we're going to ask Major some more questions when it comes to water quality and some of the water filtration systems he offers. And we're going to talk about maybe touch a little bit more about the about how we can basically not overlook the things like when we're designing a kitchen, like having that filtration system in there. But don't forget, hey, if you go to waterincorporated.com, that's waterinc.com, and you can check out all the great products he has. And if you really like something there, then type in the promo code radio. And he's got some discounts for you, and also is going to pay some postage. So check it out, waterincorporated.com. All right, when you're checking out websites, always go to HomeTalkUSA.com. You can check out our 24/7, 365 on-demand show. Always support your local dependent hardware stores and garden centers. Let's pledge to hire a vet today. Pledge to number2vets.com. I'm the Cajun Man.
www.paverarmorpro.com. The Home Improvement Broadcasting Network wants to congratulate this year's recipient of the National Radio Media Association Radio Talk Show Host of the Year, our very own, the host of HomeTalk USA, the Cajun Contractor, Michael King. Welcome back to HomeTalk USA with home improvement expert, the Cajun Contractor, Michael King, on the Home Improvement Broadcasting Network. If you have a question or comment concerning home improvement repairs, new construction, or renovations, the Cajun Contractor will get you the answers. And now, back to HomeTalk USA with the Cajun Contractor, Michael King.
Welcome back to the only home improvement radio show dedicated to you, the American consumer. Hey, we're having a great conversation with Major Avignon with Water Incorporated, and we've been talking about this some great technology, water filtration systems, this body glove water filter systems, and some other. We've been talking about some great systems that can filter water, coffee, tea, and just for the break, that's what we were explaining a little bit about why we should have some good filtration water when we make tea and coffee. And he also brought attention to us about some of the things that we kind of overlook when it comes to when we remodel or build a dream kitchen, not going with with filter systems. And he also talked about his air switches. Let's talk about that again, because that is a very innovative technology, and why do you think it's realistically so important that my listeners consider this?
Well, an air switch is a little button that sends a pulse of air through a tubing. It activates a electrical switch, turns it on or turns it off. So these are aesthetically very nice from a design standpoint. People like them in their kitchen rather than a regular old ugly wall air switch. And you can use them to turn on your garbage disposal. You can use them with a dual switch to have out of one single outlet electricity going to your Instant Hot, and then switching it to your garbage disposal when you want that to operate. So it's really very handy. And again, with all the different finishes available, it blends in perfectly in your quote-unquote dream kitchen.
Great. Well, my friend, we're out of time right now, and give us the information. Where can people really look up your products and that we talked about today, and where can they buy them? And let's talk about that promo code again, because my audience would really love to take advantage of some discounts.
Well, I want everybody to go to waterinc.com/HomeTalkUSA. Again, that's WATERINC.com/HomeTalkUSA. And when you're on the website, you can take and enter the promo code radio, which will give you an extra 5% discount and free shipping. And it's very exciting to be building and remodeling your dream kitchen. And you don't want to forget about some of the overlooked elements we talked about today. And you'll use them every day, and you'll be glad you chose quality Water Inc. products.
All right, so that's waterinc.com/HomeTalkUSA. And that's how you can take advantage of the discount. Thank you so much, Major Avignon. Thank you for being our guest on Home Talk.
You're welcome.